Hello guys, you must be thinking, why is she walking down that alleyway? I just parked. Yeah, so I'm here to come and go, and I'm going to start looking for some pinners for me and Chalora's mukbang. So it's best to look for it now, so tomorrow don't have to go through the hassle, you know. So I thought I'll come here to St. Mary's. Yeah, well, I'm going to go into the Indian shop first. Just going to go buy me some frozen bags of gallo, because it's quite handy to have frozen bag of gallos in your fridge, you know. So whenever you want to, like a bali for gallo, you just get out the bag. And they got this nice chewy texture. Okay, let me do it again. They also have this nice, like chewy texture to the frozen gallo, and I like it. It reminds me of the Cook Island gallo. Here's a fabric shop. All the polys come here to get their material. That's here in St. Mary's, so they're never out of customers. But anyway, we're here now. Oh look, they got all the nice donuts. Hey guys. Yeah. Gotta get more trouble. More of these. Yeah, so they have the donut and the yellow buns as well. Oh, and they also have like the, let me show you. See the roti? That's the lamb one, the fish, and the potato. I bought a few before and I ate most of them by myself. So delicious. So here's the frozen stuff. They got the manioca. Okay, guess what I just found me? Cook Island mayonnaise. Putting on my trolley, my things, and these are usually nice. You can buy them and make a earlingi curry and put it in there. But today is not that fresh, I can feel it. So I'll just leave it. But anyway, look, there's some tongue and yam. Tootie, pink gallo. Now these are the gallos that has the chewy texture. So I'll take me one of those. They're $6.50 a bag, so I want another one. It's always good to have it in your fridge, you know. Ko kiki le angan pare roa le aole le songa kala. Looking for the nice one. Oh, look at these nice little. So it's $6.50, but in here it's got 2, 4, 5 pieces. Just enough for me, my mum, and Elvis. So how many in this one? Let me have a look. There's only 4. Got 4 decent size. I'll see if I can find me another one. Oh yeah, this one also has 5, so I'll take this one. You never know, one of the kids might stop by and want to scab some of my cooking. They have cream donuts here. I wonder how fresh they are. Oh yeah, and it's real cream too, guys. Oh, it's from a Fijian bakery too. Oh well, I'm gonna take it and have a taste it. You know, you can't knock it until you try it. See, they even have all these frozen pancakes. Oh, yep, nothing on. I really like this pepe, guys. See, this pepe is thick and creamy. This pepe is fresh and creamy. Fresh and creamy. This pepe is thick and creamy, guys. It's good for stuff like Faye elengi or pangpopo, and it's really nice. This kind. It's like kara, but to me, it's got a little bit of taste to it. Yeah. Sorry, Kara, you're still the best. Next minute, Kara goes, hunt her down, hunt her down. Okay, see, last wash up donuts. Rude. Yeah, now we're back shopping at the thing. Yeah, it's me and my mafia. Yeah. Oi, Carlo, Faye, but I made yeah. Right. Hindi lang loa hamia vai ecco mai me malo yung que Faye wala me de Faye Carlo pe ko ngaki klimi ko ngaki lalkonga. So look out. What about these lollipops, guys? I remember as a child, 10 cents each they were. Lovely. As a kid, you know. You get your New Zealand chips here somewhere. Where is it? Where is it? Somewhere here. Oh yeah. See the Eater Munchos, twisties, and they got nice bananas. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some. I think I'm gonna make a banana poke. My daughter, she's been saying banana poke, banana poke. So it's good to get the Kailangua one. I just don't know if I'm going to get copyrighted for this, the Indian song. I don't know. When I first walked in, I couldn't hear any. But once I walked in, they turned it up. So if I get copyrighted, so I've got a nice, how much? $1.50 a kilo. Guys, at the moment, bananas are going like quite expensive around. The cheapest one we've seen is like $1.99 at Aldi's. But here, it's $1.50. So guys, there's nowhere to come and get your fellas ripe bananas. This is a good one. So you have to leave it for a bit to make it like kailangua, like, you know, make it spotty, and then that's the best time to make the bouquet. Okay, any more? Maybe one more. It's a good one. Look, I like the fat ones. I don't like the skinny ones. I mean, the skinny ones quite like hollow inside. But the fat ones, I think I'll get one more. You know why? When I make it, right, my daughter always wants to grab all of it. What about her mama and her papa? Nice songs. So nice. I love it. I thought it was a spider guy. Okay, I guess that's all. Okay, let's go to the counter. Hang on. There's some lovely out here too. Oh, I'll put this here. You can get lovely oats here too, but at the moment they're not too fresh. But it's good that you can get lovely oats these days, so you can make, you know, your luau's, your whatever you want with it. You can even make a luau soup. I made a luau soup for my husband the other day. He loved it. But then there's not many food that he doesn't love. Have you guys seen him? Nah, leave my Elvis alone. Nah, just jokes. My husband knows. That's just jokes. Okay, it's time to pay for it now, guys. Oh, that's right. Oh, okay.
Is this one yours?
Yeah, never mind. Oh look, they even got the dollar ones here. $1 a kilo. It's cheaper.
Video calling someone?
Huh?
Video calling someone?
No, I'm just doing it for my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Okay.
Which one your YouTube channel?
Huh?
Which one your YouTube channel?
I have a YouTube channel, Faye Vids. You know,
What's the name?
Faye Vids.
Favorite?
Faye Vids.
How you spell?
Vids.
V-I-D-S.
And the front one is Faye. Faye, F-A-Y-E. So I just go around buying food and how much is my shopping?
39 and 10.
39.
And 10.
Okay, yeah. I got 250s ready. So it's really cheap. Bananas are cheaper. Thank you very much. Okay guys, time to go to the car. But I'll let you go and I'll see you at the other shop. I'm here again at the material shop. I saw a material. You know, my mum, before she got ill, she used to sew all the time. She used to sew all her dresses. And I like this one, look. It's not that I'll wear it. It's funny, I like these funky colors. But I really don't wear them. I just buy like, I'm one of those shoppers like wear at the moment. All the ladies used to go like all the way out in Kapramata. But that's good for the people out in Kapramata. But here is where a lot of the people that lives out this way, they come and they got so many beautiful different fabrics. Different. And they're fairly cheap too. Look. You can make your Polytubes to go to your bedding. But this is that silky material. That's the one that I feel that you can't breathe with very much. But then you've got this kind of fabric, which is, it breathes. These are the ones that my dad used to love making his ear lovers with because it's more breathable. So all the islanders like to come here and buy their material. So it's really good. So guys, in case you don't know where a material shop is, there's one right here. And that's them there. Can you see it? Fabric, blah, blah, blah. Okay guys. It's here in St. Mary's on Queen Street. St. Mary's, going towards the station. That side. Anyway, I'll take my heavy bags to the car. Look at that. I park right in front of where I am. But I have to go. I always park at the back. You know why? Because I'm not really a good reverse parker in case There's a park between two cars. I cannot park that good, so I always go park at the back. You know those parks you drive in, not the reverse park. No, I can't do that. I've been driving for like, what? How old am I? 21, 20 years, and I still don't know how to reverse park. That's terrible. Terrible, Muriel, mate. Anyway, going to the car now. Oh. Gosh. We're here at St. Mary's. Yeah. And it's a really hot day today. Really hot. I'm sweating. You can't tell. I know. But I am sweating. My eyebrows are sweating. My mustache is sweating. I'm sweating. Okay. Oh my gosh, my arm's breaking. My arm's not breaking from the bags I'm holding. My arms are breaking from the camera I'm holding. Yeah, anyway, guys, I'm going to tell you guys so I can put my phone in my bag. Oh, you're fine. Guys, I'm back home now. Oh, so hot out there. Everything was hot. Even me. Anyway, I'm going to do this mukbang. I ended up getting bacon bone for my food. It's a boil up, right? And it's got the pumpkin, a dough boy, which is flour and water made into a dough and then put in the hot water while it's boiling all this yummy food. And then there's the potato there. And it also has cabbage. And then they gave me a fried bread to go with my food, guys. Fried bread, and then I got this delicious looking donut. Look, from the Kai Drop. I also got me I got me some pork bones and 3 bundles of watercress. I'm gonna cook that, guys. I'm gonna cook it. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I've got to quickly do a prayer. Then we start to eat. So I just finished feeding my mum. So she had steak and cheese pie. Yeah, the steak and cheese pie is so nice. I got it from where I got this. And this, Anyway, I'll put down the name of the place I got this. I'll forget it because it's sort of a long name. So I'll put it down here. And then where I got this food. And they have plenty of Kiwi food, beautiful, delicious food. If you're hungry and you're in St. Mary's, pop in there and get some. Or if you want some beautiful, yummy cream donut here and some boil-up stuff, you stop in to the Kai Drop, guys. But for now, I just want to say cheers. This is a sparkling lime. Just got home, guys. So hot out there. But I made it home safe and well. Praise God. Okay, here we go. We're going to tackle this. And I got the lunchbox. Is it like a lunchbox or... Look why I call it a lunchbox. Okay, guys. Back in New Zealand, when there used to be like a 2-litre ice cream container, I remember I see my friends have it for lunchbox, so I used to save the lunchbox so I can put me a couple of sandwiches in it, so I can, be like that. Yeah, so that's why I call it lunchbox still to this day. Oh my gosh, but it's a clear container which just came in, but I thought I'll put it in here to spread it out. Yeah, that's a long story. Okay, I've already said my prayer, guys, and now it's time to eat. This is bacon bone. Oh, hang on, let me have some of this juice. Ooh. Yum. Because it's the bacon bone broth and cabbage and the pumpkin all boiled together. So the flavour is And it's boiled, look. Oh. Yeah. That's silver beet. That is thoroughly cooked. And it's, here's the potato. Cooked nicely. I'll put this down a bit. Man, this is so nice. So I gave my mum her steak and cheese pie in one of these donuts. She had this donut fast, so obviously she liked it too. But I didn't give her one of these drinks. I gave her water. A bit of pumpkin and cabbage. The broth is nice. So guys, if you're ever in St. Mary's and you feel like a lovely boil up, you stop by. Waitangi Day. Tomorrow, the 6th of February. That's my brother's birthday. My cousin Vincent on the 6th as well. Yeah, my first cousin. And my brother Shaki, his birthday as well on the 6th. So, happy birthday to my brother Shaki and my cousin Vincent. Oh. Wish I had more of these bones. These are my favorite part of the pork bones. This part. You know, at the Kai Drop, guys, to me, they have their bones is like, you know, their pork bone have the most meat on it. Very generous. Sometimes you buy the pork bone from, you know, butcher shops, like a lot of the meat's been off. So the lamb flaps here these days, they're gone so pricey. It's like you have to give them an arm and a leg and part of your tummy just to get the lamb flap. Here guys, there's bacon bone, cabbage and pumpkin. Boy, it's so lovely. Praise God for the food and praise God for the hands that made these. So, have some of this doughboy. I've got to share. It's fluffy. Me, I make the hard ones. But I'm planning to do my bullet. Not bacon bone, it's just normal pork bone. I want to thank you to the 528 people that's gone and subscribed to my other channel, Faye Cooks. Thank you very much. And thank you to those that watches and they don't subscribe. I appreciate that too. No? I'm trying to get my island food done. As I do love cooking island food, guys. my daughter says, Mum, there's other things besides island food. But the way I see it, there's a lot of that food out there. But island food, not so many. Mm. Mm. I'm going to bring it over here. We'll herd it over there in that corner. But this looks like it needs the fork. This is a big bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's so meaty. Look. What a big chunk of meat. Mm. My mom's watching her movie right now. I'm trying to, I'm trying to dig in with my hands, guys. Mm. Mm. I got some sad news. My sister, my little sister, she's moving back to Melbourne. She just chose to go back to Melbourne. Not because of me. No. She just needs to go back. Is where her grandkids are. Yeah. I miss her already. But she's still here. You know when they're going, and you start missing them. It's funny. I even miss her when she goes to see her kids on the weekend. Oh. Woo, that's a nice drink. I love lime. I've always loved lime since I was a little kid. Lime milkshake, lime ice block, lime drink. But my favorite color is blue. It's not green. My dad's brother, he used to have these nicknames for me. Because in our family, he's like known as the comedian. Yeah, he had nicknames for me, guys. One of them was Lau Me, and that's Turtle. I must have been a slow, either a slow walker or a slow learner. I better not find out it's the slow learner part. And the other one is rice spoongy. Rice spoongy because my mom told me I used to have like cavalry leg, buckle legs. So this would be normal people's legs, right? My one would be, but they came straight. Eventually became straight. So yeah, and that was funny because when Chalora, my daughter, Chalora, when she was born, she had the same legs. I thought, oh my gosh. Yeah, so her siblings' legs are straight, And her one's like bent like this, and this is how she'll walk. Exactly like mine. But they're straight now. That's why I say a lot that my daughter takes after me. Very opinionated, very stubborn, very fiopoko. Out of us two, she's the fiopoko one. I'm poko. Yeah, so this Uncle Ford, he can give all of us nicknames. We all had nicknames, guy. I wasn't the only one he gave nicknames to. And he always used to crack up at himself, you know, for the names that he comes up with. But we all knew he was the funny man of our family, so it never hurt any feelings. I wish there was more cabbage. I tend to find that the watercress over here is like more tough, but the New Zealand one, you just boil it for a little while, soft. Jeez, Waitangi Day. Oh, guys, Waitangi Day, they're having it at Pakli Market, okay? So I tried to upload this video tonight, and whoever doesn't know yet, there's a Waitangi Day at the Pakli Market tomorrow. What, is it Friday today? Yeah. Oh, I know a lot of people have been saying, do another kind of mukbang Faye. Oh, guys, I went asking today at the Kodrak. Nah. I went asking today at this place I went. Nah. So, no. If you've got nothing to do tomorrow, guys, go Pakli Market for Waitangi Day. And next week, they're having Waitangi Day at the Mount Joy Pools. Since they started, I've never missed one. They had the first one. That's where I bought my portrait of from Albert. No, from Johnny. Oh, what a liar. Yeah, from Johnny. A really nice one too. It's up here. Of the tahine. Tina Samoa. Yeah, I don't know if it's getting Samoa, but I guess Johnny painted it with a Tina Samoa in mind. This doughboy is quite nice, eh? Fluffy. Up and stuff. This is, and then I forget to eat this. Who wants some boil up right now? So good. I feel so sorry for my husband, eh? You know what he does? He buys a lot of fishing gear and he never gets to use it. So when he was talking to his brother George the other day, he told his brother that, oh boy, my mum used to say when you burp while you're eating, like you're full. I think you burp because you're enjoying your food. Yeah, my poor husband, he bought all this fishing gear and he held on to it for about 5 years. Never goes fishing, but he just loves stopping at fishing shops and fish shops. He goes to the fish shop to admire the dead fish. And then he goes to the fishing stuff, you know, like the fishing gear stuff. So he can just daydream and pretend he's gonna reel it in. But we live quite far from the sea. We're in Mount Druitt. So, and now they have his other brother over there that's moved from Melbourne over to New Zealand, Aotea. So he gets to go fishing with his other two brothers that's there. So it must be the three of them. So there's 3 boys over there now, his 3 brothers. My husband is the oldest of 7 boys. And they got an older sister, Jackie. She's the oldest of them all. So she's their boss. So when she's not around, my husband's the little boss. Yeah. When I first met my husband, guys, I'm going to tell you guys this thing. My husband used to have this this mentality that he would just tell his siblings straight, and that's his word, okay? And I didn't quite like it, but I kept my mouth for a bit till I understood everyone's personalities. And then I pulled out my whip and I sussed at him. I said, "Don't you dare pick on my brother-in-laws." They really love their sister, though. Jackie, they really, really love her. That's their one and only sister. Far out, eh? Having all boys. There's families like that, eh? Like they can have so many girls and then they have this one boy. Or they have so many boys and then they just have this one girl. And you know that girl will be the apple of the dad's eye. I saw that in my husband. He was a bit like, you know, like a straight shooter, and he didn't want to bend any rules or his words. I didn't like that, eh? I just thought, now, mister, because he's got really lovely brothers. I really, really, really love my husband's family. Donut time. Yeah, so I pulled him back, my husband. And I said, no, don't you do that. You treat them how you like to be treated, sir. Treat them good. Treat them with respect. They weren't even bad. They're not even bad brothers. Tell you, they're really nice brothers. He's got really good brothers. Like they're really civilized. You know why I'm laughing? I'm only laughing because sometimes me and my siblings, we are not civilized. We fight. Well, we really don't have major fights. There are some people that have some fights. And there were times, look, I want to tell you guys, this is juicy gossip. So stop it. You guys are like, hurry up. No, there are some of you going, here she goes with the gossip. Guys, say stop it. So guys, it's a donut time. Donut time. Donut time. Yeah, take a bite. This is from the Kai Drop. No kidding you. Excuse me, guys. I just give me a little bit more drink. If I ever am angry at my sibling, or whichever sibling I'm angry with, it's like I've just got to get over it, you know, because sometimes some of the things that's done, it's like hurtful, so I can't just like, oh, okay, here, do me a, run out of cheeks, guys. So I save my cheeks and I wait. And then when I'm over my anger, then I talk to them. Then when I talk to them, it's done, you know, like I'm over it. Like I can talk to them and have a good laugh with them, you know. And I love my siblings. That's what I mean. But they know, my siblings know, when I'm not happy, you know, I'm not gonna talk. I'm not gonna make up with them. I'm not gonna make up with them. And then when it's not that I feel like honest, that's not how I feel at all. Not that I feel like I'm better than them or whatever. No, it's just been the way I am since a little kid. You know, I have when I was a little kid, if I'm not happy with the child that's in my class, I'm not going to talk to them again. Till I feel, sometimes when I look at them and I think, you know, then I skip over, hey Sandra, let's be friends. You know, it's like that. It's like, I've got to feel okay. That's it. It's not because I think I'm better. Heck no. No way. That's, to me, I don't want to get slapped by God because that's rude. You know, you can't think like that. You can't think high and mighty. No way. Not over anyone. But it's just that I've just got to get, you know, like over that, the issue that I'm going with. My glasses still got fog down there. But anyway, that's it. But some other families, woo, it's like they make our family look like angels, and you know. My sister said the other day something that was really, really touching to me. I didn't expect it. We were just talking about everything, and then she said, you know, when we moved over to Australia, it didn't matter if you had like 1 million kids in your house, because me and my husband, we do have a lot of kids, you know. And she said it didn't matter if your house was like chock-a-block-a, like full, you know. And she said, we would always come to your house. It didn't matter if we couldn't barely fit, have anywhere to sleep. I didn't care. She said, I'll sleep on the floor. And I go, I didn't mind at all, you know, because it was always good to have my parents and my siblings around. I felt like home. Yeah, so she said, yeah, we would always come there. It didn't matter. It didn't matter if you had no food, no beds, we will come there. Because, she goes, because with you, we always felt loved, you know. We always felt you accepted us, you know. And I didn't expect that, you know. Yeah, I didn't expect it. I was taken, and I just kept quiet, and she was going on and on and on, and I was thinking, I didn't look at it that way. I just took them in when they needed a house, and I didn't look at it that way. You know, I just accepted them because my mum always said, you know, to love each other. And yeah, so I didn't look at it like that. It's funny because for years that they will go and they'll come back. They'll go and come back. And then one time I think, I got another sister. She got a house. She got a lot of rooms. But they don't go there. They come here. You know, that's what I think sometimes. But my husband, I'm glad that he's a good man, understanding. To be honest, at first my husband was a bit like, can't they see that there's no room? And I think, where's my whip? Where's my whip so I can whip this man back to some sense? No, guys. When she said that, oh my gosh, look at all my blooming tears. you know, guys, when she said that, I got shocked. I got shocked. I never, you know, I never looked at it like that, you know, like, now I know why. We used to just have one toilet, and there used to be my mom and dad, my 2 brothers, all my 1 million kids, my husband, and oh my gossy-wassy, and it was only a 3-bedroom house, but we made it work. Hey guys, I mean, when there is love, my mom always says, when there is love, there's no turning back people. There's no saying you cannot. When there's love, you got to make it work. So anyway, guys, I'm going to finish off my donut, and I'll say fasoi for now. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. And I'm so sorry about my suki lala at the end. Oh, look, I just remembered our conversation we had the other day. So I thought I'd just share it because it wasn't something that I expected from my sister. And I thought, yeah, that did happen. That did happen. We did used to, be all crowded, but tell you what, I loved my parents around. So one time when they decided to move to Brisbane, I thought, okay. But anyway, then I came back. But for now, I say adios, amigos. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. This donut's the best. So guys, wait, hey, when did this fall down? So guys, if you're ever looking for some nice meaty pork bones and you don't have any near your ways, the Kai Drop in St. Mary's on Queen Street, they got the best meaty pork bones, okay? And the donut is Bye guys, take care. Kia manuia, fast and forward, God bless.